There once was a woman named Emily who grew up believing that success meant owning the finest things, designer clothes, a big house, and the latest car. She worked hard, earned well, and spent even better. Every paycheck felt like a ticket to temporary happiness. But despite her good salary, Emily noticed something strange. No matter how much she earned, she was always broke by the end of the month. Her bank account drained as quickly as it filled, and her debts grew quietly in the background. One evening, after a particularly stressful call with her credit card company, Emily came across a book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That night, she learned something that would change her financial destiny forever: the difference between assets and liabilities. She realized that while she had been collecting things that looked impressive, none of them actually made her any money. In fact, most of them took money away from her every single month. Her luxury car, her fancy apartment, and her gadgets. These were all liabilities, not assets. From that day, Emily made a bold decision. She would stop buying liabilities and start buying assets. The very next month, she cut unnecessary expenses and saved a small amount, which she used to buy her first dividend-paying stock. It wasn't much, but it was her first step toward financial independence. She spent her weekends learning about real estate, investing, and how to make money work for her instead of the other way around. As months passed, Emily's mindset shifted completely. She no longer felt the urge to impress others with expensive purchases. Instead, she became obsessed with finding ways to grow her income passively. She started a small online business selling digital products, and every profit she earned, she reinvested into income-producing assets: stocks, rental property shares, and even a small piece of land. Slowly but surely, her assets began to generate cash flow. What was once a single dividend payment grew into hundreds of dollars per month, then thousands. While her old friends upgraded their lifestyles with fancier cars and designer handbags, Emily upgraded her financial security. She learned the priceless lesson that wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how wisely you use it. Over time, Emily achieved what most people only dream of: true financial freedom. Her money worked even when she didn't. She was no longer trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Her assets paid her rent, covered her bills, and funded her travels. She realized that real luxury wasn't in what she owned, but in the peace of mind that came from financial independence. Years later, when people asked her the secret to her success, Emily would simply smile and say, "I stopped buying things that took money out of my pocket and started buying things that put money into it." Her story became an inspiration for many young women who had been taught to measure success by appearances rather than stability. She showed that building wealth is not about luck or background, it's about choices. Every financial decision is a brick, and when laid carefully, it builds the foundation of freedom. Emily's story is a powerful reminder that the path to financial independence begins with a mindset shift. You don't need to start rich to build wealth, you need to start smart. Focus on acquiring assets, things that generate income, appreciate in value, and work for you even when you sleep. Whether it's investing in knowledge, starting a small business, or buying your first share of stock, every step toward assets is a step toward independence. Remember, every dollar has a job. Make sure yours are working for you, not against you. If you truly want to escape the financial rat race, stop chasing symbols of wealth and start building real wealth from within. Emily's journey proves that freedom is possible for anyone willing to change their mindset and take control of their financial future. If you enjoyed this story and want to learn more about building wealth, financial freedom, and money mindset transformation, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a story that could change your financial life forever.